This 5-minute solution will show you how to mute, unmute anyone's status updates on WhatsApp. So as you can see, my WhatsApp friend added a story. Now I will show you how to hide this story. So I'm gonna opening the story and tapping on this three dot at the top right and tapping on mute, and that's how we can mute someone's story. And to unmute, go to updates tab again, and here you will get the muted option. So tap on muted. Now tap on the status or story that you want to unmute. Again tap on this three dot, tap on unmute, and this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.